Yes, I know. For the Bible tells me so. Tells me so. Little ones too. Little ones too. Can belong. Can belong. They are weak, but they are weak, but He is strong. He is strong. He's the best. Woo! J-E-S-U-S.
want to be able to live for tomorrow and have eternity kind of in the back of our minds, and the things that we're doing has an eternal focus. The things that we're doing today ought to be in line with the will of God. Well, that kind of leads you to the next question. It should lead you to the logical question. What is then the will of God?
I will call upon the Lord.